And we have the another question for SQL from Tesla SQL interview question. It's named as Unfinished Parts. So Tesla is investing production bottlenecks and they need your help to extract the relevant data. Write a query to determine which parts have begun the assembly process but are not yet finished. So we have the assumptions like parts assembly table contains all parts currently in production, each at varying stages of the assembly process, and unfinished part is one that lacks a finish date. This question is straightforward, so let's approach it in with simplicity in both thinking. So effective April 11th. Okay, the problem should be on this for okay. So we have the table of parts assembly table which has these columns, and this is an let's say this is an example input and this is an example output. The output is 3 4 because there is no end date, right? Like for the question is straightforward. So we have to write a query to determine which parts have begun the assembly process but are not yet finished. Okay, so bumper had started it but is not yet finished. Okay, bumpers in step 3 and 4 are only item that remains unfinished as it lacks recorded finished date. Okay, then what we have to do it. Okay, what if we do like this, like select all the queries with like the part and the assembly step from table parts assembly where finish date is none, or you can say is none. Will this work? That this worked, but this also selects like okay. If this works, then it works. Yeah, it works, but I'm confused in this stage that if the bumper has no okay, this is a finish date. Okay. So a bumper with assembly step of third has no finish date. Yeah, okay. So this solution is correct. Like it was a simple question where we just have to find that if the finish date is null or not.